Now let's solve the fourth questions on the loans and the annuities. A bank is offering a rate of 2.6% per annum compounded quarterly. Mrs. Winslow invests 3,200 euros in this bank. Calculate the amount of money she has after 4 years. First of all, let's remember the formula. Future value is given the present value and 1 plus r over 100k to the power kn. In this question, rate is given as 2.6 and the money present value, Mrs. Winslow invests 3,200 euros to the bank. In this question, the important part, the money will be compounded 4 times in a year because of quarter part. That's why we take k is equal to 4. And we will find the future value after 4 years. It means n will be equal to 4. Now let's apply the formula. Future value will be equal to 3,200 multiplied by 1 plus 2.6 over 100 multiplied by 4 here, because of k is 4. The power is kn. Both k and n are 4. That's why we write here 4.4. In other words, here the power will be 16. Now let's find the result. By using the apps button on TI-84 plus C, apps button, finance button, enter, time value of money solver, enter as well. Here, the n will be 16 because of the power is 16. Interest given as 2.6. Present value, Mrs. Winslow invests 3,200 euros to the bank. The bank took our money. That's why we put the negative sign first of all, then 3,200 we will write. In this question, periods in a year. It means 4 times compounded the money in a year. That's why we write 4 here. So it will be 4 as well. Future value we are going to find here. That's why we come here on the future value part and alpha, enter, we press, and we find the result. Let's write the result. Nearest euros, 3,550 euros Mrs. Winslow will have after 4 years in the bank. For the same bank, there is an extra question here, B choice for the same bank. The question is, Mr. Temur invests X euros in this bank. In this bank means that the rate and the compounded quarterly will be same. R is 2.6 as well. This time Mr. Temur invests some money, X euros, means that the present value is X here. After 4 years again after 4 years, the amount of in his account is 5,000 euros here. So the future value we know this time, 5,000 euros. Calculate the value of X, correct to the nearest tenth. We will correct after finding the result, nearest tenth. Now, let's apply by apps again. Let's do it again. Apps, finance, time value, money of solver again. And now N. And here, when we write here again, let's write the formula again, 5,000. It will be X times 1 plus R is 2.6, 100 times 4 because compounded quarterly, and the power will be 4 times 4, and will be again 16 here. So rate is 2.6. Already we used the in A choice. That's why some values already written here, ready for us. We will calculate this time present value. No need to write anything here. Already at the final, we will come here. We will press the alpha enter at this place. Payment we don't need. Future value, this time we need the 5,000 euros. Periods are same. Now let's go to present value here. Let's press the button alpha enter, and we see the money here. We see the money here with the negative because he will give the money to the bank. That's why it is negative. But we don't take the negative part when give the result. Approximately, let's write the result 4,507.64. Now the question is asked here the nearest tenth. It means that this part, the unit decimal, will be done 0, and 0.7 is close to 10 or 0. It is close to 10. That's why we give the answer 4,510 euros. Thank you very much.